Stay
This one
tuned to
didn't go
NOAA
off.
Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles northeast of Pueblo, or 32 miles northeast of Pueblo, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and have dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, no damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern El Paso, northwestern Broward, and northwestern Pueblo counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern Colorado.